We've covered a lot on the farm stage today, but as you can see behind me, these gentle giants are really the stars of the show. Here at this modern dairy farm, we're committed to the highest standards of care, ensuring the best quality from our pastures to your table. It all starts here. From this cozy barn to the creamery, we'll see exactly how our milk becomes that delicious cheese and butter you love.
The moment the process is complete, we initiate cooling. This rapid temperature drop is vital for preserving the integrity of the material.
We've covered a lot on the farm stage today, but as you can see behind me, these gentle giants are really the stars of the show.
We take quality seriously. This sample, for example, undergoes rigorous testing right here to guarantee its purity and freshness.
difference lies here. The centrifugal force pushes the heavier cream to this side, leaving the lighter skim flow moving through here.
Critical difference between the cheese line on your left and the butter line down the hall is the separation process. Welcome to the heart of the operation. These massive vats are where the magic begins. We introduced the curd powder and Welcome to the facility. These stainless steel tanks are where the magic happens. We carefully monitor the temperature during fermentation to ensure the perfect flavor profile. We use this cheese harp to carefully slice the coagulated milk. As you can see, the moment we cut the curd, the clear whey begins to separate. Now we apply the pressure. This shaping step is critical for the final integrity of the component.
The secret to controlled aging, whether it's fine wine or artisanal cheese, lies in maintaining the perfect balance of temperature and humidity.
Temperature levels are stabilizing across all banks. Good.
Humidity is holding steady at 40%.
This is where the magic happens. We age these wheels for at least 12 months to develop that rich, nutty flavor you love.
This batch is ready for vacuum seal. All right, I'll take the next one.
After the aging process is complete, we move the cream directly into these massive churns you see ahead. This gauge here shows we are within the optimal parameters.
Understood. The consistency looks perfect.
We turn the freshest cream right here in these vats. And now, the moment we've waited for, the finished golden butter.
While both start with milk, the key difference lies in the process. Cheese uses cultures and rennet, while butter is simply churned cream.
We bring the freshly cut cheese to these tables for the final stage. As you can see with this cheddar, the packaging is crucial for locking in the flavor. Packaging standards for our dairy products are rigorous. This carton is designed to keep the milk fresh from our door to yours. This final stage is crucial. We verify the seals and immediately transfer the pallets into the refrigerated units you see behind me. Coming back, watch your side. Okay, right there, drop it. We're good here, bring the next one up. Next pallet coming through. Clear the bay now.
Maintaining the cold chain is crucial. As you can see, the temperature here is strictly monitored to ensure the integrity of fresh product.
Here's your card and receipt. Have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
I'm so glad we could all make it tonight to health and happiness. Cheers.
We hope you've enjoyed seeing the care that goes into every step. It's this dedication that brings the best of our farm directly to your table.